Being connected to your bike, making phone calls, listening to music, navigate through the city. It's never been so easy thanks to BMW Motorrad connectivity.
Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Daniel. I'm project leader for connected solutions at BMW Motorrad.
And I'm Roman. I'm the product manager for connected ride services and apps. Today, we'd like to present to you our new factory option connectivity that you may already know from the BMW R1200 GS. Next, it will also be available in the F750 GS, the F850 GS and the C400X.
The multi-controller and the bright 6.5-inch TFT display, a BMW Motorrad communication system in your helmet and your smartphone all linked together provide the perfect connectivity experience.
When we began to define the system, we set a couple of clear goals: an intuitive user interface, minimum rider distraction, maximum practicality, as well as best ergonomics and readability.
In finding the perfect fit between a large screen size and suitability for motorcycle integration, we've come up with this very bright 6.5-inch TFT display that automatically adapts its brightness to the lighting conditions of the surroundings. And what we have here is the standard screen you see most of the time while riding. Its clear design makes it easy to get all relevant information within a blink of an eye.
And no matter from which angle I look at the display, it's always clear and easy to read.
Information about speed, RPMs and the selected gears are in the center. Top right, you have the riding mode and configurable vehicle information such as range. At the bottom, you can find temperature, time and connectivity status. So the standard view is condensed to the most relevant information you need while riding. And if you wish to check your motorcycle status before you hit the road, you can of course pull up other screens with additional information. As you can see, we've kept the well-established BMW Motorrad multi-controller to operate the system and added a menu button. Here you can check various data on your motorcycle status, like fuel level, or you can get a readout of your tire pressure once the wheels are turning.
In a nutshell, your smartphone, the communication system in your helmet, and the 6.5-inch TFT display operated with the intuitive multi-controller work together seamlessly.
Everyday navigation has now become a lot easier thanks to BMW Motorrad connectivity. For navigation you don't have to pack a thing, except your smartphone, with the free BMW Motorrad connected app, and off you go.
The navigation is smartphone-based. It displays driving instructions with turn-by-turn graphics in the TFT display for quick readability. Destinations, such as points of interest, favorites and recent destinations, can easily be pulled up during your ride.
And if you want to go on an extended motorcycle tour that needs more detailed planning, we recommend you use our BMW Motorrad Navigator, which of course can be operated on bikes with TFT display and the multi-controller too.
What's more, the BMW Motorrad Connected app offers a range of further functions, such as showing you where you parked your bike. Or it allows you to record your tours, add photos or share your tours with others via Rever. Media use is simple and straightforward. For instance, when you want to listen to music during your ride.
You just pair your smartphone and your in-helmet communication system with the TFT display on your bike.
And you only need to do this once. The display then shows the current song, and here we go.
And telephony is just as simple. I can either take or make calls.
So I'm gonna call Daniel.
Roman is calling. By tilting the multi-controller to the right, I accept the call. Tilting it to the left, I reject it.
And if you don't want to be reached while riding, you simply activate the Do Not Disturb mode on your smartphone. So, despite all the new possibilities for the rider, our option connectivity with TFT display provides minimum distraction and maximum information for you to make the most of your ride, to discover the road and focus on what's ahead. The system will be available in these models, with more BMW Motorrad models to follow.
Thanks for joining us.